Is there. In German, learn.
Gibt es.
Fast. Welcome. This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Ready to unlock a tiny German question with giant superpowers? Hey, explorer. Today your mission is simple. Ask about availability like a pro using
Gibt es.
think clap clap, then chant.
Gibt es.
Polite, clear, and perfect for travel. Your goal today. You'll use one question to find what you need, anywhere. Tiny phrase, big confidence. Picture a bright info desk in your memory palace with a neon question mark that reads
Gibt es.
Anytime you need something, restroom, bus, Wi-Fi, you step up, smile, and ask.
Gibt es.
Plus the thing you want. You're using do energy, friendly, confident, curious. Quick forms. Statement versus question. Let's flip the switch between stating and asking. Statement.
Es gibt.
Equals, there is, there are. Question.
Gibt es.
Equals, is there, are there. Negation.
Gibt es nicht.
Equals, isn't there. Open question.
Was gibt es?
Equals, what's available. Example.
Es gibt.
Kaffee.
Gibt es.
Kaffee?
Es gibt keinen.
Kaffee. Dialogue. At the info desk. Listen in and repeat aloud. Own the moment. Traveler. Excuse me.
Gibt es einen Bus zum Flughafen?
Clerk. Ja, alle 10 Minuten. Ticket dort. Traveler. Danke. Und.
Gibt es eine Toilette in der Nähe?
Clerk. Ja, direct links am Diak. Menu and shop rapid fire. You point, you ask, you win snacks and answers. Go. On a menu, is there a vegetarian option?
Gibt es eine vegetarische Option?
In a cafe, is there Wi-Fi?
Gibt es WLAN?
In a bakery, is there whole grain bread?
Gibt es Vollkornbrot?
Gluten-free hunt, is there bread without gluten?
Gibt es Brot ohne Gluten?
Magic moment, you whisper.
Gibt es
And a barista pulls the perfect pastry from a hat. Tada. Pronunciation groove. Feel the rhythm, make it musical and it sticks. Clap clap, say it.
Gibt es.
Again with confidence.
Gibt es.
Add your request.
Gibt es einen Geldautomaten in der Nähe?
Culture tip. Polite and clear. Be friendly, be clear, be you, still do. In German-speaking places, starting with
Gibt es
is polite and efficient. Add a soft opener like
Entschuldigung
and a tiny hand-raise gesture. Smile, tilt your head slightly, and ask.
Entschuldigung, gibt es?
Works at tourist info, shops, cafes, everywhere. False friend alert. Save yourself a comic mishap. Don't mix up
Gibt
with English, gift. In German,
Gift
means poison. Your safe spell is
gibt es.
sensory hook. Anchor the phrase in your senses. Smell fresh bread and ask.
Gibt es Vollkornbrot?
Taste a free sample after.
Gibt es etwas ohne Zucker?
Lightly tap the counter as you say.
Gibt es
To lock it into muscle memory. Lightning quiz. Answer fast, du schaffst das. Translate. Is there Wi-Fi?
Gibt es WLAN?
Make it a statement. There is coffee.
Es gibt Kaffee.
Polite ask at a hostel. Is there a room?
Gibt es ein Zimmer?
Odd one out, not about availability.
Wie viel Uhr ist es?
Negation. Isn't there a bus?
gibt es nicht. Einen Bus.
Your micro challenge. Time to use it in real or pretend play. Ask 3 times today. 1. At your desk. Is there a bus to the airport? Say.
Gibt es einen Bus zum Flughafen?
2. In a cafe. Is there a vegetarian option? Say.
Gibt es eine vegetarische Option?
3. On the street map. Is there an ATM nearby? Say.
Gibt es einen Geldautomaten in der Nähe?
Wrap up. High five, you did it. Today you learned the door opener.
Gibt es.
Plus variations like.
Es gibt. Gibt es nicht.
And.
Was gibt es?
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing out loud and revisit your Memory Palace info desk whenever you need something. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons and resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Bis zum nächsten Mal.